If you want to install Google Play Store on your PC or laptop, this video is for you. By the end, you'll be able to access all the Play Store apps right from your desktop screen. Whether you're a gamer looking for the latest titles or a productivity enthusiast needing essential tools, this tutorial has you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Bluestacks 5. Head over to their website by clicking the first link. Once there, click on Download Bluestacks, and it will start downloading automatically. The installation process is straightforward. Open the downloaded file, click Install Now, and then agree to the terms by clicking I agree. The emulator will begin installing. If you face any issues during installation, try disabling your antivirus temporarily. It usually fixes the problem. Once the installation is complete, Bluestacks will launch automatically. Upon opening, you'll see an interface like this. On the right side, you might notice an ads bar, but don't worry. I'll show you how to remove it at the end. For now, click on System Apps and then on Play Store. Keep in mind that you'll need to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Just like on an Android device, search for any app or game you want in the search bar and hit Enter. Click the Install button and the app will start downloading. Downloading may take some time according to app size and your internet connection. Once the download is complete, the app will appear on the Bluestacks homepage and will also be added to your desktop for easy access. Let's launch the app now. I haven't played games in a long time, and this one brings back childhood memories. Now let me show you how to remove the ads. Click on the three lines in the upper right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. In the Preferences tab, disable the option to show ads. Make sure to save your changes or the ads won't disappear. Finally, let me tell you the software or the tool we used is called an emulator, and there are lots of emulators out there. So if this lags on your PC, check out this video. It will help you select the best emulator for your system. And that's it for this video, my friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.